Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Narang again. I'm doing another, videos to put in my YouTube. This is my other bike. I had a Yamaha Virago, but I traded in for a Kawasaki Ninja 600. The Virago was only a 250. It was a year 2002. I know it's a newer bike than this one, but this one is a much bigger one and more horsepower. Got this bike, looks pretty decent, need new tires, it's missing a couple of things. It's missing a chain guard, and it also is missing a rear exhaust pipe. There you go, you can see it. And on this side too. The bike is pretty banged up, but she runs fine. I love every second of it. Just need new tires and get the title in my name, and then we'll be on our way. I love this bike. It's a 97 Kawasaki Ninja 600 ZX6. That's what it says right there. ZX6. Love every minute of this bike. She's awesome. The mileage on it is crazy. It's like freaking mileage on her is like 42,958, and I've only put like 226 miles on this thing. But I love her, and she's a little bit big for me. Just a little bit. Love every minute of her. Let me start her up. She's pretty loud without the exhaust pipe. I got her idling at under 1500. I'm not sure what it's really supposed to go on. If anybody knows what's the idle on this bike, please let me know. I'm new to this. I'm a new rider, and I didn't know that this bike's gonna put so much money in, take so much money out of my pocket. The Virago was cool, but I like sports bike. I love cruiser bikes too. Anybody have any advice, anything they can give me, I would really appreciate it. Alright, you guys take care and catch you later.